One of the workers at the reserve has just walked down there. Why, I don't know, but good Lord, look at them all. They're in an uproar. No Hitchcock movies for me from now on, thank you. I don't know where he's going or what he's doing, but boy, does he got him in a sissy fit. Just look at him go. Oh, I know I'm going to get crapped on now. Boy, he's a brave soul. He went out with a blue suit. He's going to come back with a white one. I'm using all my space here on my hard drive, or my disk. But it's interesting, to say the least. Unbelievable. Well, I guess that's enough for now. Bye.